Here's a sneak peek of the June content for our monthly meal planning membership. Every month, you get a new 4-week done for you meal plan along with a booklet of recipes. And I like to include some bonus content on a theme. And this month, the theme is intermittent fasting or time restricted eating. So I know this is a popular way of eating, but I do have a lot of cautions about it, or at least the way I see it being practiced. So I'm including this beginner's guide for you along with the meals and a little introduction video. But if you haven't checked out our meal plans, it's a monthly membership that you can stop and start at any time. All the content can be downloaded and is yours to keep. And you'll find a lot more than just this monthly meal plan, including access to our food and lifestyle app. It's $19 a month. You can always bump that up to $97 a month to get a monthly appointment with me to help with meal planning, going over your food logs, CGM data, or help you with accountability. And I'll share a link below if you'd like more information about it.